I just want you to tell about the entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur. Okay, here the word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb entreprendre. Okay, here the word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb which means to undertake. To undertake. In earlier 16th century, at that time, the men who led and organized military expeditions is called as entrepreneurs. Later on, the word entrepreneur is applicable to the persons who done the public work, like architects and contractors who done the public work is called as entrepreneur. In commonly, we called entrepreneur as a person who starts his own small and new business organization, which means an entrepreneur is a person who starts his new own small business is called as an entrepreneur in general terms. Entrepreneur may be a single person or a group of persons who starts their own small organization by collecting various factors of the production and bearing the risk. We know that business is nothing but production and distribution of goods and services for the purpose of making profit. If you are doing business, you may have to bear the risk even. Right? So, here the entrepreneur is one who starts his new own small business. Here the entrepreneur may be a single person or a group of persons. Here we have to note that a small business. The small business and the entrepreneurial ventures, two are different. For example, every entrepreneurial venture is start up like a small business, but not all small businesses are called as entrepreneurial ventures, because small business may comes under sole proprietorship even. We all know about the sole proprietor, in which the business is started by a single owner by collecting various factors of production or collecting financial resources from his savings and borrowings from friends and neighbors. He starts the business organization. Is called as a sole proprietor. Here the difference between small business and entrepreneur venture is, in sole proprietorship the business is run by a single individual or he may have some of the employees. Very less number employees will work under sole proprietorship organization, and they deal with existing product. They deal with existing product, process or services which are already exist in the society. Okay, and they are not even focused to grow their business beyond the limits. They just done their business or operations. Those are called as small business organizations. And coming to the entrepreneurial venture, here the entrepreneur starts a business organization with an innovative idea, with an innovative product, with an innovative product process or services, and they keeps on aim to get higher levels in the organization. Here the difference exists between the small business and entrepreneurial ventures. Okay, then coming, we have to conclude who is an entrepreneur is. The entrepreneur is the person who starts his own small and new business organization, and he collects the factors of production for the business organization, and he bears the risk arising out of the business operations. Here, entrepreneurial development is very important for the economic development of the country. Here, economic development is depend upon the industrial development. Okay, if industrial development is rapid, if industrial development keeps on growing, then the country's economy also develops. here what we have to understand is the entrepreneurs are the seeds of the industrial development. The entrepreneurs are the seeds of the industrial development. For example, like this, entrepreneurs. These are the seeds for the industrial development. Then what are the fruits of such industrial development is? Yes, the fruits of such industrial development is, the first one is employment opportunities to unemployed youth. Employment opportunities to unemployed youth. And next one, increase in per capita income. Increase in per capita income. And next one is increase in personal savings. Increase in personal savings. These are the fruits of the industrial development. And revenue to the government. How the government will get revenue from the entrepreneurial operations? Yes, in the form of sales tax, income tax, customs duties, excise duties, import tax. By way of this, the government may get revenue. Okay, and balanced regional